All My Sons Richmond. All My Sons Moving and Storage is family-owned and operated with over 4 generations of moving experience. Our premier moving and storage company has been in business for over 20 years and offers full-service moving for customers and businesses locally, across state lines, and even internationally. As experienced Richmond movers, we have successfully provided excellent moving services to the Richmond community. Our Richmond All My Sons movers provide local, long-distance, commercial, auto transporters, and corporate moves with a promise of customer satisfaction in every move. Call us today at 800-555-2012 and speak with one of our Richmond certified moving consultants. Allow our team to get you the best rate available. Our professional Richmond moving consultants will lead you through the entire move. All My Sons, your friend in the moving business.